What's up, guys? Racing Animation here. We're back at it. We got the Mustang back. Got all the cams. Got the new intake on. But we did have run into a little bit of trouble. So we got the Mustang back. We got cams in it, the new intake, new brakes, brake pads, new rotors. The car is also leaking oil, so we got to figure out where that's coming from. Here's the new intake. Excuse the wrap, I didn't get to finish. But it definitely feels a lot better. So we got the brand new rotors up front, drilled and slotted. These are gonna look good. We ordered them from Extreme Street Performance Pads, Power Stop. Got the big pads up front. So, both rotors. I like the way they came out. Now we gotta check where it's leaking oil from. The rotors came out good. Looks good. Almost there. We're almost there. So we are almost there with the car. Just gotta data log it, send Lund the data logs so they can revise it and they can send me a tune. I will be doing pulls so you can hear how the car sounds with the cams. To me, it sounds a little deeper, way deeper actually. I don't know if you'll be able to tell in the videos, but it sounds way deeper. It sounds good. After that, we'll probably hit the track, the dyno, and I'm hoping to have the car dialed in and all by this Saturday so we can hit up. It's just a 6th event, and I actually run the car at the track and see what we can do with it. So make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. Got a lot of new content coming up. Peace.